Stun. Yep.
I'm behind. Yep.
What is he doing?
Now.
Now. Ooh. Yep.
Yep.
Load quick.
Yep.
Drop.
Nice.
Load again. The equalizer.
Yep.
No man.
Stay on him.
They're loaded.
Yep. They dropped it.
Nice heal.
Lose some of the stuff. Actually, no, don't chase him. Actually, we have mana. Keep going.
Yeah.
Jace, call out. I'll catch up.
Lobsters up front. I still have no mana. Kill him.
I gotta heal up.
Ooh, now I got
Oh.
interrupters. I didn't have anything to interrupt me.
They're right there. Loaded.
Yep. They're loaded. Come now. Nice. They dropped on you.
I'm coming to you guys.
Yep.
Stay
It's a low mana.
Stay with Nez's pets. We might as well use it as an advantage.
Yeah, that shit did good interrupts on Guido.
Okay, let's go.
Should have north. Hold on, reflected.
It's on gangs.
Got thunder right?
Yep. So drop. They left his ass behind to die. Man. This guy?
Yep.
I'm gonna go
Pot
aggressive.
this
I'm
guy.
gonna go aggressive. Yep.
No mana, I'll follow.
Yep, pot this guy down. Go north to that sand pit. Dead end. He's going dead end. Stay on him. Come on, flame strikes. Come on, damage.
Get a U-bullet.
Yep.
You got out.
I'm telling you.
Go back to the body.
Yep. Go back to the canyon to the body.
Yeah, I don't know where he went.
Here's one hit right here. Reveal.
Yep, come to you.
Yep. Coming up.
That's his ass. You guys get him?
No.
On the run.
He's out.
Nah, dang it. Okay. And he dipped out. 8 or 9 of them. They just
It was
ran.
Island Boy. I don't know if that was an alternate or not.
Probably.
I got a blood rose. I don't know what that is.
Oh, nice.
Save it. Hide it.
Yeah, go put it in the house. Those things are nice.
Yeah, I
I
don't
got
know.
one.
I
I'm
got
on
it.
one. I'm on one. I'm on one.
Catch up.
Yep. Going DP. Going over there. Going with paralyze.
He's going to teleport spot. You paralyze first, son.
Yep. Full paralyze. Dropping it. Just dropping it.
Damn.
Died. Nice.
This guy just left him to die. The other guy's going back to White Road.
Yep.
He's going back to Dell. Canyon.
Yep.
Let's see if we go. Sand pit.
Yep.
He's going north to sand pit. Probably gonna try to teleport again. I'll try to punch before.
Hey, just straight running.
Yeah, it's pretty fast. He's going to Savages. Probably gonna go back down to Demon Bridge. Yeah, Demon Bridge. Oh, the Lich Fort.
I'm going north.
He's coming back down to you guys. Right to you, Mariah. Demon Bridge, I think. Dude, he teleported twice on that. Gone. I can't see him anymore. Was he right there?
Well,
Gone?
Yep.
Oh, stay on him.
Soft bullet.
Nice, good roll. Go back around the other way. The wide road, he's gonna go on wide road. Oh, I can't recall there yet. Right to Nez.
coming up. We're paralyzed.
Yeah, paralyze his ass.
Go south.
Good night. He's dead.
No, he's dead.
I did double flame strike.
Yeah, good shit.